In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a trading journal in Lovable.dev. We'll build a clean, easy-to-use journal you can update after every trade, and by the end, you'll be ready to preview it and publish it to share or save for yourself. Start by opening Lovable.dev on your computer and logging in. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the New Project button and click it. This creates a fresh workspace where we'll set up the journal. At the center of the screen, you'll see an instruction box. Type a clear request like Create a Trading Journal. If you see a journal or notes template available, you can choose that instead to speed things up. Either way works. If you're typing your own instruction, make it specific so Lovable knows what to assemble, such as asking for a table that tracks trades with key fields. When the project generates, switch to the design view by clicking Design. This is where you shape the structure. Click on the table or any field to edit the columns. Common columns for a trading journal include direction to mark long or short, entry for the price you got in, exit for the price you got out, and Q-tie for the number of shares or contracts. Adjust names, data types, or add options so the fields reflect how you trade. If you want to capture more context, you can add fields for ticker, setup, risk, or notes, but keep it focused on what you'll actually fill in every day. For broader context and lessons learned, add text boxes to the page. These are perfect for daily summaries or reflections, things like what the market was doing, what went well, what didn't, and what you'll change next time. Keeping this narrative alongside your table turns raw data into insights you can act on. When you're happy with the layout, click Preview in the top right corner to see it live. Use the preview to test the flow. Add a mock trade, type a quick reflection, and make sure everything is readable and in the right order. If something feels clunky, jump back to design, tweak it, and preview again until it feels natural to use. Finally, click Publish in the top right corner to save and share your trading journal. Publishing preserves your layout and gives you a link you can bookmark or share with collaborators if you choose. That's it. You've built a practical trading journal in Lovable.dev that's ready for consistent, real-world use.